Hey you guys, how's it going? In this video, we will be learning about integers, how to add them and how to subtract them, and how to create a new form. So we're going to be getting into some more detail and we're advancing on you guys. This is great. So go ahead and create a new project. I'm going to go a lot more faster here, you guys, because I know you guys are slowly getting into things, especially the things that we've gone over. I'm going to slide right through them on you guys. So we just go ahead, create a button, and then we're going to need two numeric ups and downs. So if you go ahead and go down to numeric up and down, and two of them I said. So go ahead and click off of it. And we're going to go ahead and align them perfectly however we need and say calculate. We're going to rename this one to calculate. Add, actually. And then if we want subtracting form. Go ahead, put this here at the bottom. Align the form to kind of fit it. I'm not really caring about a whole lot of detail here. That right there. Now if we go ahead and go under project, add Windows form, we can create a new form called form 2. And basically we're going to go ahead and copy everything and paste it right into here. To be honest, I kind of want the same size form, so I'm going to go into the form 1 properties. I'm going to look under size. I'm going to control Alt, Control C. And then go into here and then Control Alt, Control V. Now it'll give me the same size form. Then here I can just align this to the side and I have the exact same. It's going to be great, you guys. So go ahead and hit subtract. Type in subtract for the text. Button 1. Then we can go ahead and type in addition form. And then let's go ahead and have a label here and type in N-A. Control C it, and then we can go ahead and Control V it here. So when we type in, go ahead and go into the add button on form 1 and type in label 1.text is equal to the value of numeric up down 1.value plus the value of numeric up down 2.value. So this is just going to simply add them together and display it in label 1. Then for the subtract one, so into form 2, double click it. Basically we're doing the same thing, you guys. I just want to overlook that. Yep, that looks good. So here what we're doing is label 1.text is equal to the value of numeric 1.value minus the value of numeric up down 2.value. Now honestly, you guys, we could have copied and pasted this and just changed that one variable. It would have been a lot more easier, but I am trying to keep this basic and simple for you guys without like completely confusing you guys. So now in form 1, the addition form. So go ahead and we can rename this to the addition form. And then we can also name this one to, actually, yeah, subtraction. Just rename subtraction and addition because addition form doesn't fit the entire thing. So now when we want to switch over to subtraction form, we should say actually we'll go into that here in a second. Just say me.hide and then say form2.show. Pretty simple, you guys. And form 2, addition form, just say me.hide form1.show. Now you can't say form2.hide because it'll give you a syntax error. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. So if I say form2.hide and I click off of it, I'll notice that it'll underline it. Say use me instead. So go ahead and say me.hide. Now we are going to want to go under the form We're going to go into form 2, double click the form itself. Now let's say go under the event where it says form closing. So if this form is actually legitimately closing, we're going to say form1 dot show. The reason for this is, you guys, is because if we exit out of the form 2, then form 1 won't pop up. Form 1 will only pop up if we click the addition button. If not, we're going to be stuck with the endless void basically, and we'll have to go in the processes and cut off the process from there. So we can actually start up this program now. And let's say we want to add 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. And we can input whatever we want, 50, 28, and so forth. Then when we click subtracting form, the other form actually goes away, and it's just a subtracting form. We can maximize this, whatever. But let's say we want to subtract now. We can do 5 minus 1, or 5 minus 6 will give me negative 1. I can do whatever I want. My maximum is 100, and I can change the maximum if I wanted to. So now when we go in the addition form, it just pops it right over there. And now when we exit out of the subtraction form, the addition form actually pops up. And exit out of the application, we exit out of the form 1. So go ahead and do that. That's all for this video, you guys. I showed you multiple things here. I showed you how to use addition and subtraction. I showed you how to open up a new form. And I showed you a few things that you can do with the numerics ups and downs and how to get those values. And I showed you multiple things here, you guys. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.